My name is Elisabeth van Den Bergh. I'm a public speaking coach and trainer, so I help professionals speak with more confidence and impact in front of a group. And I also advise conference organizers on how to organize events that are more interesting, that have more impact and that are more engaging. I gave the students a session on how to innovate ways of organizing conferences. My main message was to look at the purpose of the event or the conference before deciding on the format. And from there on we had a really nice discussion. There was a lot of exchanges, so I discussed with the students what to take into account. Okay, how many people do you have? Do you want to inform or do you want to exchange? Is an old school format appropriate, or do you want to innovate and have more like a co-created approach? What are the challenges? Quite some focus also went on the importance of the role of the moderator, who needs to guide and who has to set clear rules. Also, we talked about how events or conferences are not just the conferences, but their ways of communicating, their opportunities for people to meet other people and to network. And so it's important to take into account also what happens before the event and what happens after the event, and what you can do there as an organizer or speaker to increase impact and value. As I am also a public speaking coach, my suggestion would be prepare well for a conference, and the more you practice your public speaking skills, the better. But there's a lot of aspects to public speaking skills, and the more you master them, the better. There is the aspect of confidence and who are you as a speaker. There's the aspect of preparation. How do you make sure you have a clear message, a good structure, proper storytelling? So again, there a lot. So confidence, preparation, and also the delivery. How do you speak? How's your body language? How do you engage with your audience? How do you make it really interesting? How do you make sure you relate to what the audience already knows and what you want to bring, what is new to the audience? So my advice to researchers would be that they constantly improve their public speaking skills.